Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we are going to start lesson number 2, The Smash Girl. Saina was a happy-go-lucky girl at school. Happy-go-lucky girl means not worrying about the future, not caring at all, always be happy. But she always experienced fright when she stepped on the stage. But she feel fear whenever she want to perform on the stage. She little bit feel fear or nervousness while performing on the stage. Once when she was 5 years old, means at the age of 5, she means at a small age at 5, she took part in a fancy dress competition. We conduct the competitions in the school, no children? Same like she took part in the fancy dress competition. Dressed up as Jawaharlal Nehru. She dressed up as a Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was our first Prime Minister of India, and children call him as Chacha Nehru as he was fond of children very much. When she went on stage, she saluted the audience, means she made a namaste, means raised her hand and saluted the audience while after entering the stage. And then forgot her lines. And then what happened, children? She forgotten all her lines, whatever she want to speak on the stage, she forget it. She stood there holding the salute, but she's still standing there, simply standing, just standing, and holding the hand in still saluting only. She don't know what to do and staring at her parents until they said, okay, come down. She just looking at her parents as she was frightened and she forgotten her lines. When the parent says, okay, come down, until the parent says, okay, come down, means okay, it's okay, banbidu, the parent says. Her parents encouraged her to keep performing on stage, or her parents always encouraged her to keep performing on stage, means always they are telling her, they are push-upping her, you can do better, this time you can perform well, just go on the stage and perform. But each time she would stand tongue tied on stage, but every time Saina would stand like a doll, means still. And tongue tied means not able to speak because of shyness or nervousness. Tongue tied means, children, shyness or nervousness. Staring at her mummy and papa, just looking at her parents, just looking at her mummy and papa until they said, okay, come down now. Until they said, okay, come down, banbidu, kelag banbidu. Okay, each and every time it only happens. She want to go on stage but speak, but at the time of the stage she forgets. She would always wonder how other children said their dialogues. She always thinking how other children can perform, why I can't, how they freely come on the stage and deliver their dialogues and all so confidently, while she always forgot hers, means other children will come and perform so confidently, correctly they perform, but she always forgets the lines because of the fearness of the stage. But Saina did not let her fear of performing in front of people, means she always have a fear for performing, but she not stopped over there. Then also she tried for her best. But while performing, again the same thing will happen, but she not stopped over there. Stopped her from succeeding in life. Means this not made her to stop anywhere to get success in life. She had a fear in her mind while performing, but she not stopped. Watching her parents play badminton. Her parents used to play badminton. Okay, she used to watch her parents to play that. She also developed a love for the game. She also loved the game. When she watches her parents while playing, she also felt love of the same game. She would like to play. She wanted to become a great player. In her mind, she was thinking that I want to be a great player of badminton. Okay, she had learned from her parents that hard work. By seeing her parents playing the game, she also learnt from her parents that hard work means how involving in the game and playing correctly was the only way to success. She practiced the game regularly because hard work is the only way to get success, children.